To proceed further in the ceremony, now we have felicitation of the teachers, one athlete and gold medalists, in addition to PhD degree holders. जिसका सभी को इंतज़ार है उस विधि को हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले हम बुलाना चाहेंगे मंच पर डॉक्टर अखिल मित्तल, जिनको आज एक एप्रिसिएशन अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया जाएगा। मैं मंचस्थ सभी महानुभावों से विनती करता हूं कि वो एक कदम आगे आए ताकि ये जो गोल्ड मेडल और डिग्री वितरण का कार्यक्रम है उसमें थोड़ी सुविधा रहे। मैं सबसे पहले डॉक्टर अखिल मित्तल को बुलाना चाहूंगा। डॉक्टर अखिल मित्तल हैज सिक्योर्ड अ प्लेस अमंग 2% साइंटिस्ट्स of the world for the 4th consecutive time for his research and publications in a list published by Stanford University. Next is एक हमारी ही देवगढ़ बारिया की छात्रा मिस काजल कनावड़े, जो YS आर्ट्स कॉलेज देवगढ़ बारिया से आती है। We are appreciating her efforts for outstanding achievements in athletics. Ms. Kajal won a bronze medal at the South Asian Athletics Championship 2025 and represented the university at the World University Games 2025 held in Germany. आगे बढ़ते हुए अब हम सुवर्ण चंद्रकों से सभी छात्रों को सम्मानित करेंगे। To start with, Vadodara Jilla Kelavani Mandal gold medal in economics goes to Taruben Vagela. Vedant Sankul Lunawara gold medal in microbiology goes to Khevna Rathod. Dr. Mohammad Ishaq Gulam Rasul Patel gold medal in English goes to Jinal Patel. Pragji Bapa Mayavanshi gold medal in social work goes to Ankit Chaudhary. Sri Govind Guru University medal in computer application goes to Anjali Kanojia. Pujya Vasuba Lakhaji Chauhan gold medal in English goes to Afia Mohammad Amin Chanda. Maisagar Science College Dunawara gold medal in physics goes to Priyansi Ben Baria. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in history goes to Urvashi Parmar. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in rural studies goes to Amisha Baria. Sardar Patel B.Ed College Damania gold medal in education goes to Rakesh Baria. Next is Advocate Bhagirath Bhai Patel gold medal in Gujarati goes to Parul Limbachia. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in zoology goes to Kamliwala Dilshad Bibi. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in sociology goes to Hitesh Baria. Srimati Vimlaben Patel gold medal in BHMS goes to Isha Darji. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in BHTM goes to Khushi Sharma. Navjivan Trust gold medal in Hindi goes to Kamlesh Bhai Pagi. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in Hindi goes to Divya Khant. Sheth Upendra Singh Ji Kapadia gold medal in management goes to Balwani Ekta. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in Bachelor of Optometry goes to Arpita Ben Bambor. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in social work goes to Veena Ben Suvan. Sheth Sri Indubai Girdalal Charitable Trust gold medal in history goes to Shital Ben Damor. Dharani Vijay Sarthi Rao and Dharani Lakshmi Kantam V gold medal in science goes to Anjali Parmar. Vadodara Jilla Kelavani Mandal Trust gold medal in chemistry goes to Anjali Parmar. Hasumati Ben Girdarlal Sheth Memorial Trust gold medal in Gujarati goes to Parmar Neha Ben. Gopalak Vikas Mandal Aniyat gold medal in nursing goes to Ritu Ben Parmar. Matusri Waliba Patel gold medal in home science goes to Sara Fakhruddin. Dahod Education Society gold medal in zoology goes to Renuka Ninama. Dr. Tulsi Singhal gold medal in MBBS goes to Vidhi Italia. BITS Education Campus gold medal in Physiotherapy goes to Shraddha Shete. Dr. Chimanlal Mehta, founder Panchmal Shikshan Pracharak Mandal, gold medal in law goes to Nikitaben Sonera. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in psychology goes to Vipulbai Sangara. Late Sri Dhiradlal Dhanilal Jaiswal gold medal in economics goes to Sharmiben Rathwa. President Pioneer Physiotherapy College Vadodara gold medal in physiotherapy goes to Falguni Derai. Anjuman Education Trust Balasinor gold medal in education goes to Parmar Rinkelben. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in microbiology goes to Solanki Grishma. Balasinor Vidya Mandal gold medal in Sanskrit goes to Bhavnaben Baria. Late Narmadaben Vallabhbhai Shah gold medal in mathematics goes to Umang Katara. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in physics goes to Pathan Sena. Gopalak Vikas Mandal Aniyat gold medal in nursing goes to Kaneri Nidhi. Late Motilal Parshottambai Pandya gold medal in organic chemistry goes to Panchal Dishaben. Gurjar Bharti gold medal in sociology goes to Ushaben Damor. Late Kamlaben Chandulal Shah gold medal in commerce goes to Nilofer Banu. Balasinor Vidya Mandal gold medal in accountancy goes to Belim Sartaj Banu. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in Sanskrit goes to Waghela Priyanka Ben. Sri Nutan Education Trust Morwa Arena gold medal in botany goes to Mittal Ben Garasia. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in criminal law goes to Prajapati Priyanka Ben. Raj Krupa Institute of Nursing gold medal in nursing goes to Deda Nisha Ben. Sri Govind Guru University gold medal in rural studies goes to Mitesh Kumar Patel. And Sheikh Sri Girdarlal gold medal in psychology goes to Sheikh Samina Bibi. इसके बाद हम पीएचडी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव डिग्री होल्डर्स को स्टेज से डिग्री अनायत करने जा रहे हैं। सबसे पहले मैं बुलाना चाहूंगा गुलानी नरेंद्र कुमार राजकुमार, त्रिवेदी चिरायु, गौड़ शैलेंद्र, मकरानी रुबीना बानू एंड देसाई औधरबाई। तालियों से सभी का अभिवादन करें। परमार कनुभाई, पटेलिया रेणुका बेन, जोशी दाराबेन, चौहान हितेश कुमार, शर्मा गौरांग कुमार। मोरी जयपाल सिंह, खांट धवल कुमार, पटेल भगीरथ भाई, सोनेरी धवल भाई, बारिया हर्षद भाई। और आखिरी में अमीन कमलेश कुमार, शाह गुंजन, मोरावाला सोहेल। मंचस्थ सभी महानुभाव का खूब खूब धन्यवाद। सभी से विनती है कि अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। फिर से एक बार सभी गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और पीएचडी डिग्री होल्डर्स को खूब खूब अभिनंदन. Congratulations to all.